Hey guys, and welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing this 6-piece pedicure replacement heads. This one works with the Flawless Pedicure electric callus remover. This is the heads that replace from the original ones. Alright, so we have the replacement heads. You get 3 coarse and 3 fine. So the fine rollers for polished and everyday maintenance. The coarse roller is for smooth, stubborn calluses and dead skin. So this is my finishing touch Flawless. So this one is the pedicure. This is the head that came with it. So we're just going to pop this on and open one of these and put these ones on. They do work. I've seen a lot of reviews that saying that they do not work. This one does work. They fit. The machine is not included, it's just for the heads. They're super easy to clean. All you got to do is stick them under running water and just kind of wash them with a bit of soap. So here is the extra coarse. And then below you've got the fine. The fine ones are the light gray, the coarse is the dark ones. You can see that they do match. I'm going to pop this one out. And then I'm going to install the new one. Make sure you line it up from the bottom of here and then push this down to pop it in there. And then I'll go ahead and turn it on so you can see that it does not jump off track. You can see that it does not jump off track. It does everything that it's supposed to do, just like the original one. It even does get all the extra calluses out of there. This one is the super coarse one. This one is to get all the extra stubborn dead skin. The other one's more of a polish renumerate. This is your home pedicure. So if you're looking for some rollers to fit your Flawless Pedicure callus remover, I would highly recommend checking these ones out. These ones do fit. It gives you 6 rollers, 3 fines, and 3 coarse ones. This is for your everyday maintenance, and it's especially suitable for removing calluses and dry cracked skin. You can make this machine work like brand new with these brand new replacement heads. I would highly recommend checking these ones out, especially if you've got this finishing touch Flawless Pedicure callus remover.